Today I'm going to be showing how you can use live or observed data in Eco Risk Projector. So you're going to want to start by creating a new system or going into an existing system. And then you're going to want to create a scenario. So in this case, we might call it observe. And we want to check the use observed data option. Now, once we've done that, we want to create a new location for every gauge we want to use. So in this case, we can use gauges from WMIP or BOM. So let's say I was to want to use this here, this gauge. I can see that the number here is 614126. And if I use that gauge number within Eco Risk Projector, so I'll put the gauge number in here. So this is where you need to provide a gauge number if you're using observed data. And then this is, here we go, at 14 Mile Brook. So I'll just give that name as well. Now I can create that. And there you go, it's pulled the flow data. Now, you can obviously have many locations doing this, and what you can then do, for example, if I was to create a new location, and I was to say, oh, I'm actually also going to have here, this one in Queensland, 18 Mile Swamp. So bring that name across, and I'll also bring the gauge number across, and I create. That is going to go ahead and create a location. It's going to pull that data from the, so there we go. And this is only available for flow data. What I can do then is hit this refresh all. This will pull the latest data for every single location across every single scenario. Or I can individually refresh a location like that, and it will just get the latest data for that. I can download that data, and I can also preview that data. So you can see here we have quite a lot of time where we do not have an overlap. I could say I just want to have a look at 18 Mile Swamp. I could bring it to that view, and then I could go ahead and have a look at 14 Mile Brook. We can see what the data looks like. Yeah, we can see we've got a very, looks the same as the visualization on BOM. So yeah, that's a good sign that it's got, we're looking at the same data here. And if we wanted to go even further, we could download the file, of course, and look even closer. But yeah, that's a general overview on how you can use observed data and live data with an Eco Risk Projector.